Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Skyline, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options connected with date and time, but they are inactive. It is because we are using this automatic option. So first of all, turn off all of those switchers, and now we can freely manually change all options. So let's tap on date. As you can see, we can choose it from the calendar, tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just choose it in this clock and tap on OK. It will be immediately applied, of course. Let's tap on the time zone, tap on the region, and now you can choose the region you'd like to set. Just tap on it and it will be immediately applied. Here you can decide what kind of time format you want to use. Currently we've got the 24-hour one, but we can use 12-hour format just by turning off this option. So this is basically the whole customization of date and time. Of course, we can go back to all previous settings just by using those switchers to use automatic options. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.